Today we are going to make Moong Dal Palak. First we will need to boil the dal and the palak or the spinach. We need half kg of spinach. We have washed and chopped the spinach. Then we will need 1 katori or 1 bowl of sabut moong dal and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 or 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped fine, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So first we are going to boil the palak with all the ingredients, and simultaneously we are going to prepare the tadka. So the ingredients for the tadka are desi ghee 4 tablespoons, garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. Put on the gas and keep it on high flame. Add the palak to the pressure cooker. And now we'll add the moong dal. This has been just washed. No water added at the moment. And after the moong dal, we will add ginger paste, finely chopped tomatoes, and salt. We will add half a liter of water and close the cooker. At the first whistle, we'll reduce the gas to low and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. The whistle has gone off. We'll reduce the gas to low and cook for 20 minutes. We will put off the gas after 20 minutes and let the pressure ease down. Once the pressure eases down, we will open the cooker, and in the meantime, we'll make the tadka or the tempering for the dal and spinach. We heat a pan on full heat, add the desi ghee and let it get hot. The oil is hot. We will add the chopped onions, and now we need to fry the onions till they are light brown, but we'll stir the onions a few times, and we'll add dry methi leaves, which we call kasuri methi. This is just for flavor. You can avoid it if you wish, and 1 teaspoon of this goes in. So we'll give it a good stir again, and stir the onions for about a minute or two, after which we will add the garlic paste. The heat is on high right now, and we'll add the garlic paste now, and reduce the gas to medium so that the garlic does not burn, and we need to stir it now constantly. We stir it for about 30-40 seconds, and then we'll add the rest of the spices. So now we're going to add the garam masala, the red chilli powder, and the coriander powder or dhania powder. And we will now stir this and roast the masala till it is brown. The tadka or the tempering is done. We'll keep it aside, put off the gas, and we'll open the pressure cooker. The pressure is eased down. We have opened the pressure cooker, and we'll check the stuff inside. It's cooked. It's soft now. We're going to mash it now with a hand masher, and we're going to mash it coarsely, just like we do bhaji. This is the way we are going to mash all the stuff inside. So to the spinach and the dal mixture, we're going to add the tempering now. We have put on the gas and kept it on high. We'll transfer the tadka to it and stir the mixture. We'll need to cook this to reduce the water for about 10 minutes. Though the vegetable is ready, it's a bit liquid right now. We need to thicken it a bit and even cook the tadka so that it mixes well with the spinach and dal. So we cook it for about 10 minutes. Remember to keep the gas on medium now while the water evaporates and this becomes a little thicker. This dal or vegetable is always a bit thick. It's not too liquid like just the dal. and not too dry like a vegetable, but a mix of both the two. We're going to stir this and keep the gas on medium heat and stir it intermittently. So while the water is evaporating, it's time to check the salt level, and if needed, add more. The dal palak vegetable is ready. We will put off the gas and then transfer this to a serving bowl. Here is our dish of the day, Moong Dal Palak or lentils and spinach. Do try this dish and let us have your feedback. Please also share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.